Hey, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to pack up your brand new Curiosity Box. This is the subscription for thinkers. It's a mix of exclusive science inventions you can't get anywhere else and curated items that we love. And it's limited edition, so once it sells out, it's gone forever. The first thing you'll see is our custom-designed shipper box. I'll explain more about this illusion on the box later, but first, let's get into our inventions. First up is Mr. Wiggle's Goofy Giggle-Jiggle Siphon straws. What have we done? We've been wanting to create self-priming siphon straws for years. These are the ultimate prank straws, harnessing pressure differential and gravity to dump liquid all over the place. The packaging features Curiosity Box co-founder Michael Stevens, aka Vsauce, as Mr. Wiggles, and it's inspired by the wacky aesthetic of 90s kids' toys. The back of the package has step-by-step illustrated instructions on how to use them. So let's use them. Simply insert this end into a glass of liquid, and then you have to start the jiggling. Make sure you jiggle this vigorously. You'll see some liquid start to come out, but you want to just keep jiggling to make sure that the flow and the siphon is going. And then you just watch it go. Beautiful. You can see it slowly filling up the glass by itself. This is what we call science. And if you really want to make a mess, you can also just dump it all over the table. And now this is a mess and it's going to get all over me. Oh my gosh. I need a towel. I need a towel. This is bad. Oh, it's not stopping. There we go. There we go. There we go. See? We spent a long time inventing this. Just for you. So not only is it a siphon, but we actually designed it so that you can spin it upwards and use it like a regular straw. And that is Mr. Wiggle's Goofy Giggle-Jiggle Siphon straws. Just the first of many inventions in your new box. It truly is the straw that sucks itself. Next up, we have the world's very first 4-dimensional measuring tape. Because any measuring tape can handle 3 dimensions of space, but ours can also measure time. You can see that we have the traditional inches and centimeters, but in red you'll notice seconds because this is actually a pendulum. We created a custom hang tag that allows you to suspend the measuring tape on a table or a bookshelf and then just give it a swing. So if I set the measuring tape to 2 seconds, which is a little over 40 inches, and swing it, it will take 2 seconds to complete its oscillation. Beautiful. We've also included a dashed line indicating the center of mass. So if you only take 1 measuring tape on a desert island, make absolutely sure that it's this one. Now it's time for Ink's practical slap bracelets. One is a diameter bracelet to wrap around a cylinder and determine its circumference. The next is our ruler bracelet to always have a measuring stick on hand. Or on forearm. And lastly, our time traveler's bracelet will help you prove that you're from the future. If you ever find yourself stuck in the past, this bracelet lists 5 historical events spanning the years 600 and 2022, including Archimedes and the Titanic. Be sure to use this before 2022. Perfect. Now we have one of the coolest t-shirts we've ever designed. It's the Chronotypology Time Travel shirt. So you can adorn your body with the topology and causality of 7 forms of time travel, including popular examples from stories that utilize each timeline. So like Groundhog Day is an example of time loop, A Christmas Carol is a branching timeline, and Planet of the Apes is time dilation. Every single Curiosity Box features a high-quality t-shirt with a brand new original design, and this one will make you an expert on visualizing time travel. I'm not actually going to pack up this one and send it to you unless we arrange a deal where you receive a pre-Kevin Warren Curiosity Box t-shirt. Email me. Finally, every single Curiosity box also comes with a book, and this one might be our most beautiful one yet. It's a hardcover edition of Animal Architecture by Ingo Art and features our Curiosity box official selection seal right on the front. It's packed with full-color, stunning photos of rare and unique structures built by birds, beavers, bugs, and much, much more. It's the perfect coffee table book for inquisitive minds and is an over $30 value alone in our new box. Okay, before I finish packing up your Curiosity box, there are two more vital items to include. The first is Curiosity Magazine. This is your guidebook featuring instructions, information, and detailed articles diving deep into the history and science of the items. So we don't just hand you a 4D measuring tape, we give you an entire article about the history of pendulum timers and clocks. Because we do so much research to develop our products, we just want to share as much of that with you as we can. So make sure to always have Curiosity Magazine nearby. The final piece of the puzzle is the product card, which is essentially your menu for the new box. So you can see that this box includes Ink's Practical Slap Bracelets, Mr. Wiggle's Goofy Giggle-Jiggle Siphons, Animal Architecture book, Types of Time Travel t-shirt, and of course the 4-dimensional tape measure. You can see that the whole box has a heavy emphasis on the subject of time. Now it's time to close the box, but we're not done yet because we obsess over every single detail humanly possible. We've created unique illusions on your shipper box. The design depicts the Ursa Major constellation, but it holds secrets. Depending on the angle from which you look at it, it also reads as mass energy from one tilted side or space-time from the other. These are the types of thoughtful details that you will never, ever find in any other subscription. And that's because this is the Curiosity Box, your new Curiosity Box, the ultimate subscription for thinkers, delivered quarterly to your door. For those of you who love living the life of the mind.